Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I got the, on the box it's Polar Lights, but this is the Hospeed or HS 10422 line. I think it's a 10421, 2223, and they have different body styles. This is supposed to be the Truggy. Let me show you some features on this guy. 540 motor, the metal gears. It is a 5-wire servo. This is a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, ready to run. Some other features on it: the 2-in-1 receiver, runs on a 1500 lithium ion. It has some metal parts on the bottom, but all the claims: metal gears, diffs, and axles. So let's get this thing opened up. Now the interesting thing about this one is that they claim a 1/8 scale. I'm very skeptical just based on the size of the box. But let me show you the other lines that I was talking about. There's a 2-1, 2-2, 2-3, 2-4, just the colors and body styles basically. There's a bottom look of the chassis, but let's take a look inside. So, pull this out. Now, what interested me in this is that I have been wanting a two-wheel drive RC. I did convert my ZD Racing short course truck into a rear-wheel drive, but I actually wanted one, and I was thinking about the Slash two-wheel drive. Those things run about $200 stock. Team Associated has one, and actually I had my eyes on the Red Cat. I think it was called like the Piranha, the TR10, which is a nice budget. So this takes 3 AA's, but it was a nice budget. I think that one runs for like $120 or $130. But parts availability wasn't supposed to be great. I heard all the plastic diffs keep stripping. So I wanted to give this a try. I think at the time of purchase, I bought this for, I think it was $80 or $90, which I thought was a pretty solid deal for any bigger RC. But when the mainstream competitors are running like 150 to 200 bucks, I thought this was pretty solid. So 1/8 scale, and this is actually the Fly Hall FC 610 1/10 scale. So I'm actually pretty surprised. They stretched the whole thing in the box, but it is bigger than the 1/10 scale Fly Hall, which is about the same size as the ENOS 110. So I guess this is slightly true to scale. But let's take a look inside. So the bumper and wing come separate. You just install them yourself. It looks pretty easy to do. They've got the screws in there, even the screwdriver, so pretty cool. And I'm sure they did that to get it to fit in the box. But take a look at the body. Pretty nice. The special only had the yellow one available, but I think it looks pretty cool. Here's a look at the inside. Battery tray right there. And something I did see, which I was concerned about, is it has this plastic piece in there, but I think it looks like you can pull it out. Yep, so you can take this out to run a full-size battery, which is pretty cool. So I thought I might have had to cut that out, but that's cool that that's there. Here's the receiver on-off button. Check out that rear-wheel drive, rear-mounted motor. It's a pretty big case right here. The cool thing about this is, even though it has this guard on it, they did leave a good amount of space, and because it's a 540 can, I could fit a pretty good size motor in there. At least like I know I can definitely do a 3650, maybe even 3660, but probably not needed for something like this. But I think a 550 would be nicer since this is a little bit larger. Suspension's pretty bouncy. I don't think that these are oil-filled shocks, but they are adjustable with this little turn screw. And rear definitely does need some more stiffness to it. But this is looking to be a pretty cool RC. You can see the little metal bottom protector plates they're talking about. But this is, you can see, just two-wheel drive. Metal dog bones on the rear. Non-locked. But this thing looks pretty cool. So I'm excited to get it out. And I was pretty surprised. I thought it was going to be the same size, if not just smaller than the 110. I'll actually pull out another 1/8 scale for you to see a size comparison. Alright guys, so check this out. This is my ZD Racing touring car 1/8, so TC8. Love these chassis. Got this as a rolling chassis, but this is my painted body. Little flatbed Ford race truck. But I am actually really surprised by this. Let me get this body off so you can see. But check that out. The wheelbase is actually very close. And here's the chassis look. And so yeah, I was really skeptical about this being a 1/8 scale, but now I got it next to this TC8. It's actually looking pretty comparable in size and width. So that's actually pretty cool. I'm excited to get this to you, so I'll get some running video on it soon. The only thing I think it could use is oil-filled shocks. At least maybe some better shocks on the rear. Really bouncy there. But yeah, thanks for checking this out. Something really cool on this, I think I've shared it with you guys already, but I'm running a 4068 on this guy. But what I love about this chassis is they leave so much room on the rear for a large motor, and even on the bottom for the width or diameter of the motor. But on my short course truck, I'm actually running a 4092, and it basically goes like right out to this bar, this little mount right here. Something that I noticed on the 1/7 scale ZD Racing, which is that EX07, that Hoonigan, is that they only left enough space for the for a 40 basically 84 millimeter length, so you can actually run a longer motor on this guy, but probably not needed. But I'll go over that in another video. But definitely pulled this guy. I'm gonna give him some more run time. I just swapped the tires out and wheels to these guys, and man, I know it was a video about the HS, but no, I got this guy out. I'm just super excited to get him running. Here's a shot. But definitely check out my other videos, and thanks for watching and for all the support, guys.